Yo tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Meet the plane that will change travel forever. Faster, smarter, greener. The sky will never be the same, so don't blink, don't scroll. The future's taking off right now. The Seastar Amphibious Aircraft is a groundbreaking example of modern aviation technology, designed to perform flawlessly on both land and water. Developed to combine innovation, safety, and versatility, the Seastar is redefining what an amphibious aircraft can achieve. With its sleek design, twin-engine configuration, and advanced materials, it stands as a symbol of next-generation aviation excellence. One of the Seastar's most distinctive features is its twin-engine push-pull configuration, where one engine is mounted in front and the other behind. This unique design enhances safety and reliability by ensuring continued flight performance even if one engine fails. It also provides balanced thrust, better stability, and greater fuel efficiency, making the Seastar one of the most efficient aircraft in its class. Constructed from lightweight composite materials, the Seastar boasts exceptional strength and corrosion resistance, perfect for marine and coastal environments. Its ability to take off and land on both runways and water surfaces allows it to perform a wide range of missions, including island transport, coastal patrol, tourism, VIP travel, and emergency rescue operations. Inside, the Seastar offers a luxurious cabin equipped with comfortable seating, modern avionics, and advanced navigation systems. The cockpit's cutting-edge digital interface gives pilots enhanced control and situational awareness, ensuring smooth and safe operations under various conditions. Ultimately, the Seastar Amphibious Aircraft represents the future of amphibious flight, blending luxury, performance, and practicality into one remarkable design. Whether flying executives to island destinations or conducting critical rescue missions, the Seastar delivers a premium, safe, and efficient flying experience across air, land, and sea. The X-59 Quiet Supersonic Aircraft, developed by NASA in collaboration with Lockheed Martin, represents a revolutionary step forward in aviation technology. Designed to reintroduce supersonic passenger travel without the disruptive sonic boom, the X-59 aims to change how the world experiences high-speed flight. Traditional supersonic jets, like the Concorde, were banned from flying over land due to the intense sonic booms they produced. The X-59, however, is engineered to cruise at Mach 1.4, about 1,074 miles per hour, while generating only a soft, sonic thump barely audible on the ground. Its sleek, futuristic design features an elongated, pointed nose, nearly one-third the length of the aircraft, which helps disperse shockwaves and reduce noise. Unlike conventional cockpits, the X-59 uses a vision-based external visibility system consisting of 4K ultra-high-definition cameras and advanced displays instead of front-facing windows. This cutting-edge technology gives pilots a crystal-clear view of their surroundings while maintaining the jet's aerodynamic efficiency. The purpose of the X-59 program goes beyond engineering. It's a public research mission. NASA plans to fly the X-59 over various U.S. cities to collect community feedback on the noise levels and comfort. This data will help international aviation authorities create new regulations, allowing commercial supersonic flights over land for the first time in decades. The X-59 isn't just about speed, it's about redefining the future of air travel. Combining quiet technology, efficiency, and innovation, it paves the way for a new generation of aircraft that can connect cities in record time, quietly and sustainably. Aircraft of flattening water are specially designed machines used to fight dangerous wildfires by dropping large amounts of water or fire retardant from the air. These aircraft, including both airplanes and helicopters, play a vital role in protecting forests, homes, and lives. They can quickly reach remote or mountain areas that ground firefighters cannot access easily. The planes scoop or load water from nearby lakes, rivers, or tanks, and then release it accurately over burning areas to reduce heat and slow down the fire. Pilots fly with great skill at low altitudes and through heavy smoke to make sure every drop hits the target. Large air tankers can carry tens of thousands of liters of water, while helicopters use buckets for faster and repeated drops. Advanced systems like GPS, mapping tools, and thermal cameras help them locate the hottest spots and plan safe routes. These aircraft work closely with firefighters on the ground to create barriers that stop the fire from spreading. During major fire seasons, many countries share or rent firefighting planes to support one another. In short, aircraft of flattening water are flying heroes that use the power of water to fight the power of fire. Exactly 200 words. Would you like me to make it simpler for school-level English? Or keep it formal like this? The Mi-32 heavy helicopter was an ambitious Soviet project designed to become the largest and most powerful helicopter in the world. Developed during the Cold War, the Mi-32 aimed to demonstrate Soviet engineering superiority and dominate the field of heavy-lift aviation. The concept featured 3 giant rotors mounted on a triangular frame, giving it enormous lifting power. Engineers envisioned it capable of carrying heavy military equipment such as tanks, missile launchers, or even large groups of soldiers. The Mi-32 would have been a flying giant, surpassing any Western helicopter of its time in both size and strength. Its structure was designed with reinforced alloys to handle massive loads, while its 3-engine configuration was intended to provide exceptional stability and control. The helicopter's cockpit was planned to include advanced navigation and communication systems to operate safely in harsh weather and combat environments. Despite the revolutionary design, the Mi-32 never advanced beyond the planning stage. Technical difficulties, high production costs, and the complexity of synchronizing 3 rotors made it too challenging to construct. Even though it never flew, the Mi-32 remains a remarkable symbol of Soviet ambition and innovation. It represents the daring spirit of Cold War aviation, when engineers dreamed of machines that could carry entire battle units through the sky. The Mi-32 stands as a reminder of how far imagination in aerospace design can go, even without reaching completion. Exactly 250 words. Clear, detailed, and starting with the helicopter's name as you asked. The Aerojet BD-5 is one of the most fascinating and iconic small aircraft ever created, a true symbol of innovation packed into a tiny, high-performance machine. Designed in the early 1970s by the brilliant American aircraft designer Jim Bead, the BD-5 was conceived as a revolutionary home-built airplane that would combine sleek jet looks, impressive speed, and affordability. Measuring only 13 feet, 4 meters in length, it quickly captured global attention for its futuristic design and outstanding performance. The most famous variant, the BD-5J, was powered by a micro-turbojet engine that allowed it to reach speeds of more than 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. This made it one of the smallest and fastest jet aircraft ever built. Despite its compact size, it offered incredible maneuverability and smooth handling, earning it a legendary reputation at air shows around the world. Pilots and spectators were amazed by how such a small aircraft could perform high-speed aerobatics with such precision and agility. The BD-5J also became a Hollywood icon when it appeared in the 1983 James Bond film Octopussy, performing breathtaking stunts that showcased its remarkable speed and control. This appearance solidified its place in pop culture as the world's smallest jet, admired by aviation fans and moviegoers alike. While the BD-5 project faced numerous technical challenges, including engine reliability issues and complex manufacturing requirements, it remains one of the most ambitious and influential experimental aircraft ever built. The Aerojet BD-5 continues to inspire engineers, pilots, and dreamers, proving that innovation and passion can make even the smallest aircraft soar into aviation history.